Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import data in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So there are many ways on how you can import data in Salesforce. One of them is to go to your setup menu and then we need just to go to the import wizard. So we just type import in the quick find text box. We go to the data import wizard and from the wizard you will be able to start launching the wizard and importing any object that you would like. So for example, you might need to import leads or accounts in contacts. So here I'm just going to click on add new records, and if you have any other custom objects you may also have them here. So basically I already had, for example, this test objects, etc. So in this example we just go in for the account in contacts, and from here you will need to choose the CSV file that you want to upload. So you click on CSV, you choose the file, you choose the file where you have all the information or the data, and then you will go to edit mapping. And edit mapping, it will just start reading from the CSV file, and basically it will see all the columns, and then you can choose if you want to remove some column or to keep them there. At the end, you will start importing by clicking on Run and you will have the data imported. Another way to start importing data is by using this Chrome extension, which is the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So basically, you just choose any type of uh, object, you go to data import, and basically from here we can choose anything from the objects that we chosen. You go to insert, and from here you choose the API type, and basically you go there. I'm just going to choose any uh, objects, and you can go, for example, account, and at the end you will need just to click on run insert, and of course you need to paste all your data there, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.